everyone, today I'm going to share a simple healthy recipe and we call it Jaggery Tea. In this video you will also see a young boy with autism who is learning to make this tea independently with a technique tool called work system. Jaggery Tea is loaded with health benefits. It's great for gut health. Consuming Jaggery Tea in the morning on an empty stomach works as detox. And consuming Jaggery Tea 1 hour after meal helps in digestion. It's good if used in moderation and consume only if it suits you. To make this tea, we need only 2 ingredients, water and organic jaggery. Here we are using organic jaggery syrup. This is called work system. This is a great tool for individual with autism to work independently. This is the work system for Jaggery Tea. Here you can change the quantity of the ingredients. Today we are making 1 cup of Jaggery Tea. Now you will see a young boy with autism using it. Here we go. First part of the work is about preparation. Now he is keeping the things required to make the tea. Heater, pan, cup, one cup water, spoon, jaggery. Second part of the work is to make tea. Take water in pan, keep pan on heater, switch on heater, we are still learning using heater. Wait for boiling. We are waiting. Switch off heater. Pour hot water in cup. Put jaggery, Mix well. Tea is ready. Hope it's beneficial for you. Thank you for watching.